Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us two new audio products from Lenovo, and the first one is the in-ear design neckband and the second is a headphone. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you how is the performance. So here we have the boxes, so let's start with the neckband first. The model name is the HE18 and it's available on Amazon for Rs 1999. So in the front of the box we have the picture of the product and here are few features at the bottom. At the back of the box we have the specifications and some more features of this neckband. Some of them are 12 hours of playback time, Bluetooth 5.0 and so on. Now let's open the box and see the content. So here we have the earphones on the top. We will look at them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user guide, few extra ear tips, a warranty card and the micro USB charging cable. So this means this earphone has a micro USB charging port instead of the Type-C port. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. So we have the neckband in the green and black color. The build quality is good and keeping in mind the price, I find the quality and design of this product pretty good. The earbud of this neckband comes with the ear hooks, which will be good especially while using them during workout or running. Talking about that more, they are also IPX5 sweatproof, so you can use them at gym or while working out without any issue. And also, you get the magnetic earbuds in this, which will keep the earbuds at place when you're not using them. In terms of comfort, the neckband is very lightweight and really comfortable to use, and one can easily use this neckband for long hours without any issue. Now talking about the overview, here we have the controls of this neckband and you have the volume up and down and also the power button. The quality of the wires are also good and I find them pretty durable. Now before we check the performance of this neckband, let's unbox the headphones quickly. So the unboxing experience is very similar and you have the features here at the back. Inside the box you get the headphones itself along with the user guide, warranty card and again the micro USB charging cable. Lenovo HD116 is a over-the-ear headphone. The price of this headphone is $2,299 and it's available to purchase from Amazon. One thing which I immediately noticed that the quality of the cushion and the headband is really good. The cushions are ultra soft which will make this headphone more comfortable to use for long hours. In terms of design, you get the foldable design which will make them easier to carry especially while traveling. You get this shiny texture at the outside of the ear cups, giving them a pretty cool look. In terms of the features, you can also expand the headband according to your requirement, but sadly, you don't get the adjustment for the ear cups. Now in terms of the overview, you have the volume control here along with the bass control, power, aux port and the charging port. The battery capacity of this headphone is 300 mAh, which company says will be able to give you approximately 24 hours of playback time. And one more thing, these headphones are also IPX5 sweatproof. Now let's talk about the most important part, which is the sound quality. First talking about the HE18 neckband, the in-ear design is really comfortable to use. And talking about the performance, the clarity is definitely there and you get good bass from these earphones. I had to change the ear tips to get the perfect fit, so do check the ear tips for better comfort and sound. Overall the sound quality is good keeping in mind the price of these earphones. And if you're looking for a sporty neckband with good sound quality, then you can definitely check these earphones. You get the good battery backup and the in-ear ear hook design of these headphones makes them perfect for outdoor usage. Now talking about the headphones, HD116 is a on-the-ear style headphone which was surprisingly very comfortable to use. In terms of sound performance, I must say that the clarity is there, but the bass is just average. Even after using the bass control button, which by the way enhances the bass, I find the bass bit muffled up sometimes. But with the good clarity and better instrument separation, I find the headphone performance pretty decent. For casual usage such as watching movies and videos, these headphones are pretty good because of the long battery backup and the soft cushioning on the ear cups. And guys, both these products are not good for games as there is a noticeable lag while playing games. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a wireless earphones in the neckband style to use it while running or in the gym, then the HE18 is a good option. Now talking about the headphone HD116, it's also a good product especially for watching videos and movies. And as usual, if you like any of these products, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Lenovo HD116 and the HE18 earphone. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us which one you prefer more, a headphone or an earphone, in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.